I started to love computer. I used to get very much fun, or as they say, like with the programming languages.
What made you feel that it was not a hobby of yours?
It used to make me feel overwhelmed. It used to give me anxiety. मेरे से ये नहीं होगा. Like it used to demotivate me. Like I used to shut down my laptop. जो अच्छा लगता था वो खत्म हो गया. I don't want to burn myself out to do it for the sake of having a job. Deep down I knew that it was not for me.
Then what made you go ahead and choose HR? Hello everyone, I'm Patricia Richard and welcome to the Decent Academy's Success Story podcast. Well, in today's time, there are students who are quite confused with what they want to carry forward in life, what they want to achieve. Well, what actually happens is that from school to college, people usually follow what their family is pressurizing them to do or what their friends are following. Well, eventually what happens is that they land up regretting their decisions later on. And also while they maybe get some opportunities and while they are working, they kind of feel demotivated. Also on a long term, if this happens, people usually go ahead and think of it as a full stop. Like this is supposed to be happening with me and this is the end. Well, that is usually not the case. With the proper guidance and the proper counseling, one person can land up in the right job, get a proper success, and also get proper leadership abilities and get their goals. So today we have one of our students with us who has somewhat like kind of this story, and we will get to know how she achieved her goals and what she actually began with thinking that she would maybe do it for a long term, and now where she is. So I don't think we should wait anymore. Let's just call her here and listen to her success story. So Sucharita, tell us something about you, please.
Hi ma'am, my name is Sucharita Biswas. I live in Baguhati, Kolkata. I live here with my family. I have done my schooling from Auxilium Convent School, Damdam, and my 12th from DPS Megacity. Since childhood, I was very much keen and experienced love towards computers and programming languages. So that's why after my schooling in my college, I enrolled myself in BTech from Navala Institute of Technology.
Okay. So why BTech?
As I said that from my childhood, like from class 5, I started to love computer. I used to get very much fun, or as they say, like with the programming languages, especially Java. So that I had a very much interest in what it is in Java, Python, C++. So I thought that yes, I can pursue this as my career and start my professional life in it as well. That's why I got into BTech.
Okay. All right. So, where did you hear about Decent Academy?
Decent Academy through one of my friends when I was like feeling stuck after my graduation. Throughout my 4 years of journey, I realized that computer and programming languages and getting the output after coding was just one of my hobbies. I can't pursue it as my career. So that's why I was very much confused that what to do now, because through my many interviews I was demotivated and I was feeling stuck. So after my graduation, after 3 to 4 months, I got to know about Decent Academy from one of my friends. I visited the academy.
Okay. One question I have in mind for you, that what made you feel that it was not a hobby of yours that you should follow?
It was very much when I used to sit down with the coding. In schools, in the initial college days, it was just limited syllabus. So that's why I knew about it. But eventually, it's a vast domain. You have to know a lot about DSA, like it includes strings, arrays, and a lot more. It used to make me feel overwhelmed. It used to give me anxiety that like मेरे से ये नहीं होगा. Like it used to demotivate me. Like I used to shut down my laptop कि नहीं ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. Like जो अच्छा लगता था वो खत्म हो गया. ये मुझसे और लाइफ में नहीं होगा क्योंकि I don't want to burn myself out in my career and just do it for the sake of having a job. So I realized कि जब अच्छा लगता था अभी मुझे कुछ और करना है, because I don't want to pursue this as my professional path.
Okay. So with what mindset did you come to Decent Academy?
I would be very honest, I came because I was desperate for a job. So I thought, I think I can upskill myself so that I can get a job in this technical domain. I thought if I learn more about web development or data analysis, then I can get a job, because BTech के through मुझसे नहीं हुआ, like दिमाग में like अच्छा नहीं था.
Okay, all right. So, while you came into DSN, then what made you go ahead and choose HR?
I came with the mindset that I will be enrolling myself in the web development or data analysis course.
Okay.
But here when I came, they like helped me with a counseling session. Here they made me realize that technical line is not for me, and that was true actually. Deep down I knew that it was not for me, and they guided me with that HR would be the perfect career path for me. Seeing they saw some potential in me, and then they helped me to enroll in the HR course.
Okay. So how long has it been till now that you are enrolled in the course?
It's a 6 months course, and it has been 3 months.
Okay, great. All right. So, what all did DSN help you learn and all regarding this particular course that you went ahead? and
What
chose?
basically at first I got to know what HR was. It's not only about like calling or taking interviews. It's a vast, huge domain. How many HR roles are there? Apart from that, I got practical exposure on the floor. I got to manage the students and employees on the floor. I got to handle like profiles and hiring and schedule interviews and take some interviews, how to communicate with the candidates, how to know that this candidate would be the right fit for the company.
Okay, so that's actually great that you got a proper practical exposure, right? So, what were your little by little achievements that you got here?
My recent achievement would be like I hired one of the candidates last week and she joined yesterday.
Okay.
So I'm very much glad that like through me she got here a job.
Okay. So now that you know about HR department and how HR actually works and things about it, so now how do you feel about HR?
I'm pretty much confident in it, and I know that like I would flourish in this path.
Okay. So Charita, what other ways did DSN help you actually achieve your goals? Now that, see, when you came into DSN for the first time, you had a different mindset, right? So then you later on took the HR's course, right? So what your goals have been and how DSN has helped you achieve it?
First of all, it helped me draw out my life goals and what my direction would be. Dishan Academy gave me the right direction that I can move forward in this HR path. Through my experience, I learned from my HR trainer. She helped me calling and like sourcing.
Did you get to work with the portals and all
Yes, I got to work with different portals, and she had let me to take interviews with candidates as well. Then I got to interact with so many candidates. What was their experience? How was their life? Why do they want the job role in our company?
So right now, what amuses you the most about HR?
What amuses me most is how HR is the backbone of a company. How we are the problem solvers of all the employees. So that excites me. Like I'd be the helper of all the employees. I'll be able to listen to their problems and give them solutions and source the right talent for the company's growth. And all of this, HR is behind all of this.
Okay. So actually, your perspective has become totally different, and your goals are being achieved basically. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm pretty much happy and confident.
Okay.
Before I was very much demotivated because I was on the wrong path. Now after my counseling in Dishan Academy, when I was pushed towards the right path, I'm pretty much confident right now.
Okay. Now that you've landed a job, right? So can we hear something about that? That might be very exciting, right?
Yes, it was very much like I was looking for, while my course, I was looking for opportunities, and opportunities were coming to me for internship or permanent job roles. Then after 2-3 interviews, I landed up a job, and in the interview, I was confident because they asked what did I do in my training in Dishan Academy. So I think I did pretty
You
much.
had a lot to talk about
Yes.
actually in that.
Yes, he saw some potential in me that isko sikhane se ye, like, she can flourish, do well for the company. So I'm glad that I'll be able to join very soon.
Okay, and how does your family feel about it?
My family is very happy knowing that I got a job finally after so much of ups and downs and struggles, like choosing what line would be the right for me.
Mhm. So, like, do you plan to continue within this particular role
Yes.
for a long term? Okay, okay. And like, what else other than these courses and HR, etc., the proper real life industry experience that Deesan gave to you? Other than that, is there something else that Deesan also provided you with?
Guidance would be there, how the proper guidance from our HR trainer. And I used to love coming to the academy every day, how I used to learn from my other colleagues. They used to help me up with what I have to do, how I have to do. I got a great ample amount of help, and I used to love interact with other employees as well.
Yeah, okay, all right. So now that you heard about Sucharita's inspiring story, well, one of you guys who might be watching this video right now, you might be in certain situations like this, maybe demotivated, or you don't know what else to do and what further to do, right? So, what my advice to you would be, go ahead and book a free counseling session at Decent Academy. We will definitely help you out. Thank you.